Hi sir, this is Manoj and my registration number is UR15CS151 and now I am here to discuss a program about whether the given alphabet is consonant or vowel. And now the program is started with hash include IO stream, that is nothing but header file used in this program, and using namespace std followed, and using namespace std is used to include all the files given in this program. The data type variable char is used in this program, that is c comma answer. The coming to main function, uh, display enter the alphabet, read as c. If c is equals to small a, and this is nothing but r function is used in this program, c is equals to capital A, then display as it is vowel. Here we are using if else statement whether to check the given statement is true or false, but here in this case we are checking that whether the given alphabet is vowel or consonant. And now the user may give A, E, I, O, U in lowercase letters or uppercase letters, then it will display as it is a vowel. Now, whether rather than that he can give another alphabet, then it will display as given value is consonant. And now slash n is used to create a next line, means that is new line. Now, here I have used, means the user has used do while loop, because it will if we use do while loop, it will ask the user whether to perform the operation again or not. If the user press y, the program will be, the operation will be continued. If the user press n, the program will be terminated. Now we'll check this, we'll run the program. Now it is asking that enter the alphabet. I can give in lowercase letter or uppercase letter. Now I am giving E, small e, that is nothing but lowercase letter. Enter. See, it is displaying as it is vowel, and it is also asking, do you want to re-perform the operation or not? Yeah, I want to perform the operation again, so I am pressing Y. Enter. And it is asking enter the alphabet. Now I'll press capital O. Enter. Yeah, as I already said, I can give small letters or capital letters. And again it is asking, do you want to perform the operation? Yeah, I want to perform operation. That's why I'll press Y. Enter. Now I won't give vowel and I'll give one another alphabet. Now that is C. Yeah, it is showing that given value is consonant. And now I want to stop the program, that is nothing but I want to terminate the program. That's why I'm pressing N. Enter. Now the program is terminated. With this, we can check the given alphabet is vowel or consonant. Thank you, sir.